Major moves for dancehall artist Shenseea as she recently linked up with fellow EXO artist Belly on a new song, How I'm Feeling. The track is featured on EA Sports Madden 22 soundtrack, which saw the track list being released today. Shenseea reposted the announcement on her Instagram. Ramesh Major also took to his Instagram page to post a cut released worldwide on Friday, August 20 and features Murray, Moneybag Yo, Sway Lee, Jack Harlow, and others. Dancehall artist Quada reminisces about his Day One friends and humble beginnings on his new track titled Day One. The track documents Quada's journey from high school to stardom. The video shows the artist inside the studio alternating between his past and present-day self. The video closes with a flashback of his performance at Unruly Fest 2019, showing Quada on stage talking about his days on the street as a windshield wiper. The track is currently trending at number 27 on streaming platform YouTube. New sensation Nation Boss has released a soulful track titled Faith. Faith is his second solo release. Nation Boss sings about his potence, his ability to discern real energies, while reminding his fanbase, the natives, to always be grateful.
And it evident, so watch the energy, you're welcome to your resident. Natives always remember, when you rise up at dance, you feel tell Jack out the streets cold like the time in December. If you're not real, the circle, you're not fi enter.
Faith is produced by Troublemaker Music and is sure to be another sensational single. Faith is now trending on YouTube at number 3 for music and has already racked over 500,000 views. Faith follows Nation Boss's collaboration with Youngster on Emotions and his breakout single Humans. I'm Carrie Simpson reporting for E! Prime.